5 foods to avoid with kidney disease and diabetes. If you or someone you love is living with these conditions, you know how important diet is in managing symptoms and slowing disease progression. So let's get into it. What foods should you steer clear of and why? First, let's talk about why this matters. Your kidneys are like your body's filtration system. They filter your blood, remove waste, balance fluids, regulate blood pressure, and even help produce hormones. But when you have diabetes, prolonged high blood sugar can damage the blood vessels in your kidneys, leading to kidney disease. In fact, about 1 in 3 adults with diabetes also have kidney disease. That's why managing your diet is so important. It's not just about controlling blood sugar, it's about protecting your kidneys from further damage. So let's break it down. Here are the top 5 foods to limit or avoid if you have kidney disease and diabetes. 1. Sodium. First up, sodium. High sodium foods can strain your kidneys, leading to high blood pressure and fluid buildup. Processed meats like bacon, sausage, and jerky are big culprits here. They're loaded with salt to enhance flavor and extend shelf life, but that makes them a no-go for kidney health. Other high-sodium offenders include instant noodles, frozen pizza, fast food, and frozen meals. If you're craving something savory, try seasoning your food with herbs and spices instead of salt. Your kidneys will thank you. 2. Phosphorus. Next, let's talk about phosphorus. Healthy kidneys can easily remove excess phosphorus from your blood, but when your kidneys aren't functioning well, phosphorus can build up. This can weaken your bones, increase your risk of heart disease, and even lead to early death. Dark-colored sodas are a major source of phosphorus, additives used for flavor and shelf life. And while beans and lentils are nutritious, they're also high in phosphorus. The good news? Plant-based phosphorus is absorbed less efficiently than animal-based phosphorus, so small portions of beans might still be okay. Always check with your dietitian to be sure. 3. Potassium. Potassium is another nutrient to watch. If your kidneys aren't working properly, they can't remove excess potassium, which can lead to serious issues like muscle weakness, heart problems, and even death. Fruits like bananas, avocados, and oranges are high in potassium, as are leafy greens like spinach and chard. Even potatoes and sweet potatoes are packed with potassium. But here's a tip. Soaking or leaching them can reduce their potassium content by up to 70%. So if you're craving potatoes, prep them the right way to make them kidney-friendly. 4. Added sugar. Now let's talk about added sugar. If you have diabetes, you already know how important it is to manage your blood sugar. But when you add kidney disease into the mix, it's even more critical. Fruit juices, sodas, and other sugar-sweetened beverages can cause rapid blood sugar spikes, which can damage your nerves, kidneys, and heart over time. And don't forget about baked goods, candies, and cookies. They're loaded with added sugar too. Stick to water, unsweetened tea, or clear diet sodas instead. 5. Alcohol. Last but not least, alcohol. Drinking too much can harm your kidneys and interfere with diabetes medications, increasing your risk of low blood sugar. If you have kidney disease and diabetes, it's best to moderate your alcohol intake or skip it altogether. Talk to your doctor about what's safe for you. Now let's flip the script. What can you eat? Plenty of delicious options. Think eggplants, cauliflower, apples, berries, lean poultry, fish, and even pasta or white bread. Yes, white bread. It's lower in phosphorus than whole grain. But remember, everyone's needs are different. Your stage of kidney disease, your blood sugar levels, and other factors will determine what's best for you. That's why it's so important to work with a healthcare professional or renal dietitian to create a meal plan tailored to your needs. Before we wrap up, let's tackle a couple of quick FAQs. What fruits should people with kidney disease and diabetes avoid? Limit high potassium fruits like bananas, apricots, and dried fruits. What's the best bread for kidney disease and diabetes? Opt for white bread over whole grain. It's lower in phosphorus. What makes kidneys worse? Too much sodium, sugar, phosphorus, alcohol, and not enough water or physical activity. If you have kidney disease and diabetes, managing your diet is key. Limit added sugar, sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, and work with your healthcare team to create a plan that works for you. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend or leave us a review. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode. Until next time, take care of your health. It's your greatest wealth.